Need to fix Discord API error? Then in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. First thing first, move into Safari. Inside Safari, in the address bar, search for Discord outage. You need to head over to this site. Wait for a while. Well, in this page, you will be able to check whether the server of Discord is down or not. Right here you can see it says user reports show possible problems with Discord, which means that the server of Discord is down. In this case, all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. After that, move into the App Store and search for Discord. In this page, if you see the option of update, then tap on update and update the application to the latest version. After that, move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, well, you need to head over to General and then move into iPhone storage. Once the page loads, search for the application Discord. Once found, click on it. Tap on Offload App. Once again, click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.